Hey y'all, I hope that everyone's doing well. Today is gonna be a great day because we're making some delicious, unique cheesy boudin tacos. Y'all know I love boudin and I love tacos, so why not combine the both of them? Alright, I got some boudin. Go ahead and bake them at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 10 minutes. Now grab your boudin, cut it down the middle, and empty out the casing. And you know we gotta have Tony's original Creole seasoning on deck, so season the taste, combine, then set aside. And if you don't have boudin, you could definitely sub for Tony's Chachere's dirty rice dinner mix. Alright, now for the sauce, bring some water to a boil, drop in some tomatoes, a bell pepper, let it boil for about 3 minutes till the tomato skin starts peeling off, then remove them and set aside. Remove the tomato skins, but leave the bell pepper alone. This process makes our next step a lot easier. Get you a blender, add the tomatoes and bell pepper, add an onion, a can of chicken broth, and for the secret ingredient, I got Tony's Bloody Mary mix, tomato based and perfect for this sauce. Add in a cup of it, then blend everything together and set aside. High heat and some oil, pour in the sauce, and I got Tony's Chachere's bold Creole seasoning to enhance the flavor even more. Season the taste, bring it to a simmer, and cook it down for about 10 minutes, then set aside. Alright, medium heat and a corn tortilla, dip both sides in the sauce, then add it to the pan. Let it crisp up on one side for about 30 seconds, then flip it. Now add a generous amount of mozzarella cheese, some of that boudin, fold it over, then give it a little press. Go ahead and crisp it up on both sides. Once done, plate your tacos, plate the sauce, garnish with cilantro, and voila, one-of-a-kind cheesy boudin tacos, absolutely immaculate. Bon appetit. I hope y'all enjoy, and if you like the products in this video, check them out at TonySachere.com.